Eminista lo akiro nukoteso Dr. Clement Kenneth Ongalo bote ngesia balebe bunero tongola ngara kinitunga neda elipitore ngarenok aishishana kinitunga jokushonu Erot.
Flag as a sign to you that this work should commence, and we pray that you do this work well, that this work is just the beginning of more work for you in Kalaki District. May God bless you. It is important for the beneficiaries to know what exactly is going to be done in their area. It may be possible that these people don't want a road, and we are forcing a road on them. So we need to interact with them and let them know that this is what we are going to do, and it is not going to go any further than that. And for us, who are the originators of this money, we feel that you may be ashamed of associating with us. That's why you don't want to put a sign up there telling people that we are the ones who gave you the money. This money comes from OPM, yes, but this money comes directly from Ministry of Teso Affairs. And so far, the money that we have budgeted for this road is now 600 million. The first 300 was for the other section. Now we are putting 300 here. And it is our hope that next financial year, we will be able to get an additional 300 so that the other section from Oleo to Pungre is completed. So it is important for us and for avoidance of doubt, because these people want to know where their taxes are going. When an engineer, when we return on path, that one of the things we are going to do is plant that signpost.
Atupito na polo kinito na jakanuto kokalaki Frederick Kitutu ngesia balebe erono lemero tongol noi.
The road that was launched, it is phase 2. The first phase was 9 kilometers. This second phase is about 7 kilometers. That has been a very bad road that has been making commuting a little bit difficult. Well, the community has just to be cooperative with the people who are going to do. They also have to be vigilant to see that they are doing the right thing, and the community is going to be sensitized continuously so that they know their rights and what they are supposed to do.
Erotongon esera erotolai ron le makere ebuta kibiete tedo mambo gidum mabe tubete so a joke sikelo lo e of the prime minister ya kresi sirgen ni na kwata uni ni kamera kida dukune tungona ngetai nda nyoni ipeneta nyona lo sono yana pungure so a joko lo yala mabere so noya kwano igana ya kresi sirgen dukuna na kwata uni ngara kida iso kapana kida ngetai ne tongon tetere tongoni ngara ni tongona lo seso
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapo ko district Loka Kalaki.